Yeah.
And that is crystal clear.
Got another vlog. And I got all my boys with me tonight.
See, hey, this is what champions shoot on right here, baby.
My boy Graham.
What up?
Oh, we can't leave her out. Yeah. Oh, hey, bub. What's up, man?
What's up? What's going on, man? Namaste, man.
I'm gonna show you.
All right, y'all. We had a car meet tonight. They call me. It is packed night.
I did.
Look at all the cars. That is crazy. Oh. If we put him back in here too. What's up, man? What's going on?
Ugly.
Man, it's so packed out here tonight. It's crazy. Like, it's full of parking lots. Platinum out here, all types of different companies out here. It's crazy. They got caterers. Man, like, there's just so much cars. It took me a while to even pick the camera up. God, so much shit. I'm gonna try to show y'all around most of the cars. I probably wouldn't be able to get all of them. It is a lot of cars, but it's really nice ones. So I try to get what I can and show all you. Man, DJ,
Hey, check my Instagram out, SayPapi, S4Y.PAPI. One of the sickest Audi S4s out there.
Man, I agree with him. Check it out. That shit is nice. Couldn't even end the vlog. There was so much going on. Most of my friends came out last night. It was so much fun. Last night was just lit. But I came home. I was too tired to even finish the vlog to end it. So I'm ending it now. Today is supposed to be bad with the weather, so I don't know what's gonna go on today. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog today, but we'll see what happens. But Sunday, I'm leaving to go to North Carolina. I might drive the Mustang down, so if I do, I have vlogs all week long. So if anybody's in the Charlotte area, because that's where I'm gonna be in, and you wanna hang out, take pictures of the Mustang, just send me a DM on my Instagram or my Snapchat, and we can make something happen. Meantime, since I'm up this early, I'm gonna play some Battlefield 5. Yeah. Play on PlayStation. I'm gonna get a PC later, so my gamer tag is Nasty Porno 18. I'll put it in the description if anybody want to play Battlefield. So, meantime, I'll see y'all for the next vlog. Peace.
To the shadow come, crawl. To the